Want to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to simplify your life and kitchen. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a multifunctional culinary powerhouse designed to make delicious meals effortless. Imagine having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek appliance. That's the magic of its 9-in-1 functionality. Plus, with 15 customizable smart programs for everything from soup to sauté, you can precisely cook almost anything with just a touch. No more guesswork. Simply choose your program and let the Instant Pot handle the rest, giving you back precious time. And for those prioritizing health and durability, the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures safe, even cooking and super easy cleanup every time. This kitchen gadget truly stands out by consolidating multiple appliances, saving you counter space and making healthy home-cooked meals achievable on busy weeknights. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen and invest in the best cooking tech for 2025, you need to check this out. Find the Amazon link in the description. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who wants gourmet results without the fuss, transforming your meal prep completely. So for an unbeatable blend of versatility, convenience, and performance, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my absolute top recommendation.